Off the coast of Catalonia, there is a collection of islands at the crossroads of the Mediterranean. The long natural harbors of Menorca welcomed ancient mariners from the time of the Phoenicians to the Romans. Stones tell much of the story of this place, of ritual offerings to the gods of sea and harvest. On the western side of Menorca is the town of Ciutadella. There are 8 tomes chronicling the ships wrecked from the 1500s onwards, and there is one account that especially stands out. La Purísima Concepción de Nuestra Señora is recorded in the island's archives as sinking in the Cove of Cala and Busquets in 1702. Referred to as an underwater museum by archaeologists, most of the wrecks in Cala and Busquets are under 2 feet of sediment. In 2023, an international team of local archaeologists and Explorers Club members set out to uncover the 18th century wreck at the mouth of the harbor. But this is not the only wreck in Busquets. Archaeologist Xavi Aguelo has identified a handful in this small area, a team of time travelers and adventurous misfits from around the world working together to uncover the unknown. The thousands of leagues this vessel sailed ultimately led it to an untimely end at the bottom of a windswept cove, where it gains new life as a thread in the tapestry of Menorca's history. To touch something no one has touched for hundreds or thousands of years, to feel connected to the continuity of humanity for a moment.